Welcome back to the workshop today. Yesterday actually over the past couple days, I put together this mold because I decided I was going to use my leftover epoxy and some scrap wood to make some coasters. This piece of walnut has a little bit of a rough edge, a live edge, whatever you want to call it, so I thought this would look nice with the blue end. I had some leftover, I think this is hickory. I don't know. I thought it was a different wood. I thought it was cherry when I bought it, but I should have known because it was so heavy. And it's not cherry. It's way too dense, and it doesn't burn when you look at it. So today I'm just going to take these out of the mold, see how they look. Ran into a little problem. I don't know if you can see it, but this screw head is covered in resin. So try and pop that off and get that screw loose. All right, so we got it out, and it's still. Oh, I did a terrible job of taping it, so now it's just stuck to the mold. Jeez, this thing leaked underneath really bad. The other piece wasn't that too bad. Should have put some weight on it, but oh well. Coasters out, but I could only go with the hickory today. The walnut, I got chewed up pretty badly in the planer. I don't think it was quite cured, so the next shot you're just going to see me sanding down the hickory coasters after cutting them up. I started out at 220 grit and went all the way up to 1500, and then I just finished them off with some cutting board oil. And that's about it for today.